Hello, welcome to another episode of Fun or Not. Today, I'm making this video because I am flying back to the United States, and just to show you an important requirements for the flight that the US requires. You need an attachment aid, which is the attestation. So this is the one that where you will check that you have a negative test result for the COVID-19, which is you can use a rapid antigen test or RT-PCR test. So both of them are acceptable. And then you need to also have a fully vaccinated card. So you're gonna make sure you check that and say you're fully vaccinated, because if you're not, you need to have some, if you're not fully vaccinated, you need to show why. So I don't know if you're not, they're not gonna let you fly out from the Philippines, because I'm flying back from the Philippines back to the US. And then I think those are the only two you need to check. And then at the end of the page, so there's like several pages, you need to print your name and sign, and then you put the date. So that this you will have to fill up at the airport, at the counter, so they will know that you're the one who signed it. Then you need to have, of course, your test result that it's negative, and also you need, of course, you need your passport, plane tickets, so, and also your vaccination card. So you need to show all of them to be able to fly off, of course. And with the flights, I think they're not yet normal, or there's not like a lot of flights yet. My flight was supposed to be in the morning, and then it was rescheduled twice, and then the final one is tonight. So I'm flying out at night and getting there at night. So that will be my update for today as I am getting ready to fly out. So I'm gonna go and start packing, and of course, you know, the standard airlines restrictions for 2 baggages for 50 pounds each, and then 1 hand carry or carry on, and then that will be it. And I will give you an update once I get there. I don't know if I can get a video because it's gonna be dark. I'll get there at night, and I'll probably upload this video after several days, because I will be jet lag and I'll be busy doing stuff. Okay, so with that, the next videos will be after that, will probably be camping too. So I will see you soon. Thank you for supporting my channel, watching it, and see ya. I'm now inside the waiting area near the gate, because I cleared the immigration. So I'm in. There's another security to go to the waiting area. So you have to go through the security first. So you cannot bring water there, no water. So I stayed here so I can go to the restroom. Going back to San Francisco. Arrived at San Francisco International Airport. ride the BART train. At the train, BART platform.